Welcome back, guys. Crypto for Life channel. Today we'd like to talk about XRP and just my view on this local correction and what we probably can see next for Ripple. Let's dive in. First of all, guys, I don't think so. This is the end of bull run or end of altcoin season because we didn't even start the altcoin season. Maybe we'll not see the altcoin season. It's also possible, guys. I don't know why, but people think the XRP not hit the all-time high because the reason on CoinMarketCap, I don't know where they got this number, but all-time high was like 7 years ago, $3.84. But if we check the Binance, if we check the Coinbase, Bitstamp, Bitfinex, it's around $3.40. Here's on a Bitstamp. Here's the all-time high was $3.31. So we already hit on a Bitstamp $3.40. This one. Next one on Coinbase. It's not available because the Coinbase, the list after that, it's listed, so it's kind of weird. Here's on a Binance. $3.55 on a Binance on USD. And here's $3.40. Got it. On Bitfinex here. This $3.30, $3.40. So Kraken also 34, and here's a 39. So I don't know which one is correct. Well, because I analyzed this global chart crypto. So this is a full history of XRP. And for me personally, the XRP sweep all-time high. You know, where the CoinMarketCap get that number $3.84, I don't know. So technically, some people also ask, is it okay to buy a Ripple now? Guys, no hate for Ripple. I'm not a fan of Ripple. I'm not in XRP army, you know. But just ask yourself, by logic, is it okay to buy the asset which already hit the new all-time high while we still not see the altcoin season? And if you are here for the profit in USD, what's the point to invest in Ripple, for example, even if you believe a Ripple will go to, I don't know, to $10. Here, to $10, it's going to be only 200%. So while the Ripple already pumped it like 800, 900. So ask yourself why invest now in Ripple at all-time high if you can invest in some other tokens which still not pump it. For everybody who hold Ripple, I don't think so that $3.40 it's a highest point for this run. Yes, technically it's possible there, double bottom or sweep of like deviation, and after that we should dump to equilibrium in the next bear market to $1.50, hold the line, 2 years in consolidation and continuation. Technically possible, but I'm more about the $4.82, and I don't think so we hit the $5. So is it possible to hit $5? Technically yes, of course, guys, everything possible, just in case. But it's all about is it okay to invest now or not? So ask yourself. So if you hold Ripple, maybe, and I think it's okay to start fix a profit. Maybe reinvest some money in other tokens. If you hold the Ripple for some purpose, you know, for the future, yes, you can wait. You can wait to the next targets because maybe you get a plan. So globally, of course, this is a global zone of correction. So this is a monthly favorable gap. This one, there's no gaps, so most likely if we will see the bullish February and the spring 2025, next 3 months, at least we can form the 1, 2, 3, two candles up, and after that in May, correction and maybe end of cycle for altcoins. That's why, guys, not all altcoins will perform like Ripple or hit new all-time high. So some of them, yes, some of them not. So congrats the Ripple holders who made a great profit from 27 blocks. So all zones I showed you before. And now we talk about not when to buy Ripple. We talk where to sell. That's the point. So locally, let's take a look on the weekly time frame. And guys, some people screaming we go into zero. Technically, nothing special happened with the XRP. So we hit a new all-time high. You can open the chart of Solana. You can open the chart of, I don't know, injective fats, how they playing out. SUI, after when they sweep the all-time high, it's some pullback. and we're still in an uptrend. Still in an uptrend. That's why locally on 12 time frame or on a daily time frame, this local one. I mean, if we draw the trend lines, like this one, then extended lines right to this one, maybe we go and hit this one in May 2025. So this one, May 23, 2025 can be the $4.82. Who knows? Maybe we're gonna be move like this one in some wedge, like this one, then pump, drop, and going down. So just maybe we'll see something like this one. But anyway, guys, locally it still will be the structure, uptrend structure, nothing special, no crazy signals to sell or so. Sooner or later, guys, yes, we will see the signals to sell, crazy signals to sell. And if now we will ready for some crazy sell-off. So here, the monthly gap is start at $1.83 till 63 cents. So this is what we can test. 50% of that range, it's around like $1.20. Do I believe the Ripple should drop now to $1.20? I don't think so. So just in case, because of timing. Now we retested just this block, like support, and we bounce, so close, almost fulfill of weekly gap, and can go higher. Technically can go higher. Take a look with my custom reset, and now with weekly time frame. So this is definitely, guys, a even bigger than in January 18. So once again, ask yourself, is it okay to buy now or not? So take a look. Of course, you have your own strategy. I'm not telling you have to out of Ripple now. You follow your plan. I just share my idea and I share my data. So here, never in history, a whole history, since June 13, we never seen the signal to start selling. So step by step, start selling. So this is here. This is prepare for accumulation the same way, but in opposite, it's prepare for a distribution or distribute step by step. And that was a signal to buy. Bam. Here's a prepare to buy, bam, buy, go. So now it's prepare to sell on the weekly time frame. Let's go to the monthly. Of course, on the monthly, we can go higher. That's why everything depends of your vision of the timing, So if you're here for, I don't know, for the next 10 years, and it's comfortable for you to hold the XRP even now, you can hold it, right? So you can track how it played out in history. So this was a free at top, drop from January 18 till October 2020. This one here was a top monthly time frame, drop. This is a crazy madness if you're on a monthly time frame. And this was accumulation, buy, confirmation to buy. This is not even close to the top on the monthly. That's why, guys, everything depends of your timeline, your vision of that token. You propose to hold or buy this token. Trade on monthly here. Sell. This is a buy back. Here's what 3 signals to buy back around 27 block pump. No signal to sell yet. Weekly time frame also. It's kind of weird, but take a look. No signals to sell. It's kind of strange, right? That's why maybe, and I think we will go higher. Imagine the sentiment around social media when the Ripple will be around $4.82 or around 5. Everybody gonna scream. We go into 100 for sure. Take profit indicator here. This is exit line. It's $1.20. Buy line. It's 51 cents. Weekly time frame. Daily time frame here. We almost retest the take profit line. $2.66. Bounce it. And now it's really important to put the price higher, and most likely, how it will looks like on the next few days. So here, few weeks or months. Here, I think we can go higher, but after that, form something like this one, and test the buy line, bounce, not hit new all-time high, and going down to the bear market. That's why just be careful, guys. But guys, it's just my ideas, my thoughts about this one. Take a look. The last one is money power indicator. Here, weekly. Let's check the weekly. So this is a money inflow. here's the money outflow. So step by step, of course, the whales distribute their bags. But at least we don't see the money outflow. So let's add alert to money outflow like it was in this area. 1, 2, 3. Money outflow, pump, here, drop. RSI, bearish divergency, crash. Here's a MACD bearish divergency, drop. Now no divergences, no money outflow, nothing. So everything still, I think, okay with the Ripple, but it's just about your entry. If you enter now, it's not a good idea, I think. If you enter here, it's maybe okay to fix some profit and leave for a next all-time high, for example. So guys, everything what I think about Ripple I explained it in this video. If you want to trade with my custom markets, I would have showed in this video, just write me a DM. Subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.